This conference will now be recorded.
Hello? Yeah. Some of technical issue, ma. That's why it's going to happening like that. Okay? Yeah. Now am I audible, no? Okay. So we created Mastercraft customer, we created, then press enter. If I press enter, the order details informations it will come. All the informations we have to type in that. So mode of payment, any other person for reference numbers or contact numbers, anything we have to give here. Terms of delivery, how we are sending the product. So dispatch through, where we are dispatching, destination, so that place name, that driver name, so then bill of landing, which date goods is going to landing, the vehicle number, entire data we have to mention in that. This is the order details options only. Okay, so then press enter. If I press enter the detail, that party details is going to display. Means who is our customer, customer information, customer details is going to display. So Mastercraft is the customer, and here state Karnataka, so regular dealer, so place of supply also Karnataka only. Then please enter. This is important for us. Order number, in that I am going to give order, sales order, no, select the sales order. This the order number, sales order slash 01 I given. May 1st I am receiving the order from Mastercraft company. Means Satya dealers is going to receiving the order from Mastercraft company. Enter. So here sales ledger we have to create in that sales ledger, because we are selling, when we are going to recording the sales in transaction in sales ledger, it should be sales only. In the purchase transaction, in the purchase ledger, it should be purchase only. We have to create the ledger. If I want to create the ledger, shortcut key is Alt C, or else directly we can click in this create option also. Click on that. So here sales account, enter. Under group sales account only. Always if it is a purchase, under group purchase account only. Click on that sales account, enter, enter. All the details I am going to give. Accept this one. Keep on press enter. We can give control A is the shortcut key. That one also we can use. Okay. So for which item we are the Mastercraft company is going to give the order. So in that name of item, space key, this is the options we have in that. Whatever we created, the details is going to display here. Now if I want to create, if I want to, for example, they need Sony series, they are asking Sony series product. Click on that Sony series. In that May 1st we are receiving the order. In from which Godon, select any one of the Godon, because in my Godon we don't have the product. That's why it will display negative. So in that from Hanuman Nagar, or else Bangalore Godon, I'm going to select a quantity. For example, quantity 20 product they are asking, enter. So now see, in this particular Godon we don't have the product. That's why it's going to display that negative option. See now, it's going to display negative stock. Okay, enter. For each product, the rate is 25,000 rupees. Suppose I don't want to display negative values, all these things. That time, go back, backspace, backspace. Place the cursor in the particular product, control enter. What is the control enter means? So to edit the ledger, either even if it is a ledger also okay, stock items also okay, control enter means to edit the particular detail, means particular name. Even if it is a stock also okay, even if it is a ledger also okay, control enter to edit the particular parts, means alteration. If I want to do some of alteration, we can select them. Now directly here I am going to give already in my godown I have 30 product. Like this quantity we can give here also. If I have the quantity we can, or else we can first if we can purchase the product also. So because already we purchased the product, no, so that's why here I am going to give quantity 30, then accept. In Bangalore godown 30, we didn't accept 30. I don't want to give, okay, Bangalore godown rate I am not going to give anything. Enter, enter. Now see, if I click on that Bangalore godown space key, here already 30 is there. While creating the stock items also we can give the quantity. That means already we have the product in our godown like that. Okay, so here in the Bangalore godown we have 30. Click on that 30, 30 product we have. Only the 20 they are going to give the order. Okay, click on that. Each product rate is 25,000. Or else if I type here 15 also, see it's not going to display the negative values. Negative stock because already in the Bangalore godown 30 product we have. Okay, enter. 20 product I am going to give the order. Each product rate is if I give 20,000, see 4 lakh worth rupees goods we receive the order. Understood? Okay. So then one more product if you want we can give. It's enough for me. Only one product I selected. Or else if you want one more product also we can select the one more product also. And if I don't want, select the end of list option. Click on that end of list. Only one product 4 lakh worth rupees goods we received the order from Mastercraft customer. When? May 1st. Okay. Accept this one. Being accept this one. Simultaneously you have to do, then only you will come to know that. Okay, 2 minutes times I am going to give. This is my question. What is my question here? In that example, uh, go to daybook sales order. You have to do that in your company. If you didn't understand, you have to ask me that one more time. I will repeat. Done? Am I audible now, ma? Anusha, Kaveshri, am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Done? Okay. After sales order, okay, enter, accept, give the accept all the details. After the sales order, so I want to know that how many product, so pending is there, still how many product, what are the orders we received, how many product orders we received, all the details. If you want to see that, go to Here go to option, or else in the keyboard alt G also we can press. Click on that go to option. Here in the search field we have to type sales order due only. Click on that sales order due only, enter. Now see the details is going to display. If you want to see the detailed, alt F5 for detailed options. Okay, so here sales order, that the Sony series 20 ordered quantity 20, still we didn't send, no, that's why balance quantity also 20, rate 20,000 rupees, total value 4 lakh rupees. So May 1st we received the order. So this is the sales order due only, pending due how much is there, we can see all the details, we can see that. Escape. Now we received the order. After that what we have to do, after receive the order, so we have to when we are sending the goods, so we have the transactions we have to record in the delivery note voucher. That means we deliver it to the goods to my customer like this, in the delivery note which date, what is the quantity, all these details we have to enter. The transactions we have to record in the delivery note voucher only. Okay, when the customer is received the product, in our accounts book, we have to enter in the delivery note, means we have to record delivery note voucher, means we deliver the goods to my customer like that. Okay, so here along with that product and quotation we are going to send to the customer. Okay, wow. So how to use that delivery note? Then go to vouchers. May 1st we received the order. Now May 2nd I am going to sending the product to my customer. Customer means for Mastercraft. Understood? Go to voucher. In that other vouchers, click on that show inactive. See, delivery note option. Alt F8 is the shortcut key. Click on that A, enter. So delivery note shortcut key, Alt F8. Enter. Press enter. If I after select this delivery note option, press enter. It's going to ask, do you want to activate? Yes. Click on that S. So delivery note options we got. This is the first transaction. That's why it's going to display number 1. So delivery note voucher number is 1. Like that is going to display. Now, so we have to send the goods to my customer. Who is my customer? Mastercraft. Select the Mastercraft. Here when we are going to select the Mastercraft, see automatically that order details is going to display. This is very important to us. Sales order mandatory. So using this sales order reference number, we are going to sending the product. If I select this one, automatically entire data it will come. Sales order 1, enter, all the details, press enter. Destination we didn't give, no, if you give automatically entire details it's going to take. Now see, we got all the details. But May 1st, but we are sending the product in the May 2nd. No, that's why press F2. Here F2, or else in the Alt F2 is the shortcut key in the keyboard. Click on that. See here 25. Enter. So that is a May 2nd. We are sending the product to my customer. Accept this one. Now we should not select a sales order. So means this is my delivery note number. This the using this tracking number. This number. This is my tracking number means sales order number. Using this number, we are going to sending the product to my customer. Sorry, tracking number is 1. So here order number. Either tracking number is nothing but this one. Okay. So sales order. So automatically all the details it's going to take. It's enough for. See, accept this one. accept, being goods being goods delivered to customer. Understood? Accept this one. Accepted. Now I want to see that still sales order due is there or not. If I want to see that, go to Alt G or else in the keyboard, click on that, go to in the search field, sales order due only. Select the sales order due. See, it's not there because already using this order number, we sent the product up. Okay, so that's why it's not going to display here. It's going to cleared. Now we say we send the product to my customer in my godown, in my Bangalore godown. How many product is there still? If I want to see that, go to stock summary, because in the Bangalore godown it was 30 product was there, 20 we sent up, we delivered to my customer. Still it should be 10 product. If I want to see that, go to stock summary. See now, press Alt F5 for detailed options. See now 10 product balance is there. The details is going to display. Okay. Next. If I want to see that all the list of entries, all these things, go to day book. See only 2 transactions going to display. No, press Alt F2. Alt F2. Remove the date. Or else we can give the financial year also. 2024, 31st 3 2025. We can enter. See all the transactions going to display. Or else go to day book. Only means at present my cursor is in which is voucher, that date only it's going to display. That's why Alt F2. We can give the financial year also, or else we can give space key. Click on that space key, enter, space key, enter. We can remove the date also. All the transaction is going to display. Now here it's going to display the delivery note options. 20 product we sent. Understood? Escape. See, after delivery note options, we have to we sent product. No, now we have to generate the sales transaction. Means we have to generate sales invoice only. That means we sold 20 product to Mastercraft company. Like this, we have to generate the invoice. Go to sales options, voucher. What is the shortcut key for sales? F8. Okay, click on that F8. So here in that Mastercraft company. Now see, we didn't generate sales order. No, if I go and check in that uh, balance sheet, Alt F5 for detailed options. See now in the asset side, it's not going to display any customer name, anything. Mastercraft, all these things is not going to display here. Once if you generate the sales invoice, then only the details is going to display in the balance sheet. Because without generating the sales invoice, we are going to do all the transaction, means the delivery note, order, all these things. Once if you generate the sales invoice, or even if it is sales invoice also okay, purchase invoice also okay, then only it's going to affect our accounts book. Okay, so escape, then go to vouchers, sales, select the Mastercraft company. Select Mastercraft company. Here see deliver note number. Using this reference number, we are going to do all the transaction, because when we send the product in the deliver note number, this is the number one voucher number. This one. If I click on that, So automatically entire data it will come. See now all the data is automatically we got. Product also we got. See May 2nd we recorded means we generated the sales invoice. After generate the sales invoice only it's going to affect our accounts book. So let me see that. Enter, enter. See, is this bill wise entry? It's going to display bill wise details. If it's a new bill, we have to select the new reference. When we are clearing the amount or when we are making the payment, even if it is receivable also okay, payable also okay. So that's the against reference we have to select. If I received already I received the advance all these things. When we receive the advance we have to select the advance amount. Automatically that advance amount is going to deduct in this total amount. Okay, now select the new reference. On account is nothing but when we are going to receive the bulk amount, some lump amount, I don't know for which bill we have to clear. That time first we are going to select the on account. After that we are going to convert as a, we can convert as a against reference also. Okay, so here new reference option. Due date they are going to give 10 days. We are going to give the 10 days to them. Enter. So 12th May we have to receive the amount. Okay, accept. Simultaneously you have to do. One more time should I repeat? Done. Am I audible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay. So narration I am going to give being goods sold to customer. This is my narration. Then accept this one. Click on that, accept. Now go and check in the balance sheet. Let me see that. Go to balance sheet, Alt F5 for detailed option. See here, sundry debtors, current assets. It's going to display now. Enter. If I press enter, Mastercraft company, the details is going to display. 4 lakh rupees we have to receive. That is the current asset of us. In the asset column, asset side, it's going to display sundry debtors. So example for current asset only. Now after generate the sales invoice only, it's going to display in our balance sheet all these things. Okay, escape now. If I press, this is the report level, no? If I press enter, again press enter. So now in the May 1st, we sold some of, we done the sales transactions. Press enter. Again press enter. That is the sales. Voucher type is sales. Again press enter. The transaction is going to display. Means report level to transactions level, by pressing enter, entire details we can see in the tally prime. Okay, so that is the detail, that is the options we have. One more time I will repeat. So go to balance sheet, select the sent debtors, enter, again press enter. May 1st, see debited the 4 lakh rupees, enter. That is a sales voucher. We done sales, voucher type is sales. So ledger is Mastercraft company. Again press enter. See the transaction is going to display. That means report level to transactions level, we can see the all the details by pressing enter, enter. We can see all the details also. Okay. For example, now 20 product we sold, right? So they are in that some of defects goods, one is that means some of damage is there. That's why they are going to returning to us. Means Mastercraft company is returning to the Satya dealers. 20 product already we sent. We generated the we recorded in the sales in transaction also. But after that, so suppose some damage is there in the product, in the phone, two phones, some of damage is there. That's why two product they are going to returning to us. When customer is going to returning the product, so that is be called as a sales return. Sales return transactions we are going to record in the credit note voucher. Okay, credit note is nothing but sales return details we are going to recording. Understood? See here, after sales, if it is any damage anything, so that credit note. Okay, so already we done, we sold some of product no to Mastercraft company. In the two product is some of damage is there. That's why Mastercraft company is returning to us. So how to do the transaction? This one, go to total amount 4 lakh is there. See in that, if I want to see that, go to day book. How much now we generated the sales invoice. Now I want to see that receivable. So outstanding receivables, if you want to see that, go to here alt G, or else click on that, go to options, in the search field bills receivable. Now select bills receivable. Now it's going to display from Mastercraft company 4 lakh rupees we have to receive. That is a pending amount. From KL Trader also 6,000. Total 4 lakh 6,000 rupees. It's going to display here. Pending bills. That means bills receivable. See here it's going to display in that. Bills receivable means still we didn't receive. We have to receive. How much from Mastercraft company? 4 lakh rupees. Okay, if you press enter, so entire details going to display. May 2nd we sold 20 product we sold. So each product rate is 20,000. In that 4 lakh rupees we have to receive. Let me see that. And in my stock summary also, so that mobile, which mobile? Sony 10 product balance is there. Let me see that. Go to voucher, other vouchers, click on that other vouchers. Show inactive option, click on that show inactive. In that select the credit note. Credit note shortcut key is alt F6. F6 is the shortcut key for us. Now select the credit note, then press enter. If it is a purchase return, we called as a debit note. Okay, for debit note shortcut key is alt F5. Credit note shortcut key is alt F6. Click on that credit note. See now the details going to display credit note. Okay, who is returning to us? That means which customer is returning to us? So Mastercraft company is returning to us. One more time I will show you that. Let me repeat. Go to voucher, other vouchers, click on that, select the credit note option, or else directly we can press alt F5 also. Click on that credit note. Who is my customer? Which customer is returning to us? Mastercraft company, means Mastercraft customer, because already we sold 20 product in the May 2nd. In the two product is damage is there. That's a two product, means two phone mobile they are going to returning us. The transactions we are going to recording in the credit note voucher. Okay, select the Mastercraft. See now balance how much? 4 lakh rupees balance is there. Correct? Enter. So tracking number, this one we can give. This is my tracking number 1. Enter. Enter May 2nd. Not in the May 2nd. May 2nd we sold, no. Okay. We can give the, for that day only they are returning like this also we can, or next day also we can give. But here from 3rd May it will not going to take because we are going to use a educational mode. That's why what I'm going to, 31st May we are returning the rejected product. Change the date also. Click on that. We are going to use education mode. No, in the education mode, some of date restrictions is there. Every month, first, second, or in that month, if we have 31st, only 3 date transactions we can see. We can do the transactions, or we can see the records. All these things in the only 3 days, first, second, 31st. Okay, because this is the education mode. If it's a license mode, it will come only the, from education mode we have major restrictions. That's the date only the first, second, and 31st only we can do the transactions, and we can see the reports also. Other date we can't use. Okay, that's why here, so I want to change the voucher date 31st May 2024. In this particular date they are returning to us. Who? Mastercraft company. Select all the details, it will come. So it's going to ask what is the original invoice number. So original invoice number is nothing but, let me open the sales. Mastercraft, no. See, enter. This is the original invoice number. That's it. This one. Okay. Original invoice number is 1. Hello, am I audible, ma?
Yeah, not audible, ma'am.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ.